Hello, Professor. My name is Abhishek, and my student number is 3011099190. This is my Centennial student ID. First of all, we have to understand what SM2 exactly it is. Like we have to understand delegation. Like we have to use the delegation method, and our requirement is whenever click the subscribe button of email or phone, it should be added in the collection list of whether it is email or phone number. It will be shown in the subscription list. At the same time, while we subscribe the button, like it should be unsubscribe. And also we have to validate email address and phone, and whatever we have to publish, like it should be go to the our subscription list of phone and email address. So we have to understand this. So I gonna share my screen. I open the solution file. So first build the solution. Okay. After that, okay, so manage subscription. Like I am using my phone's email address, Abhishek Vyas. So it's not a valid email address. So I click, so it should be enter that please validate proper email address. I'm using the phone number more than 10. So it's showing the it's not a valid number. So it's show the validation proper. So I'm using my right mail address, gmail.com. So it's valid. I am using my okay. So like I use the subscription, we have to tick mark, then it will be added into subscription list. So it is added in subscription list. So we can see the email address successfully added in the list. So now go back and go to the publication. So I'm using hello world. So it should be published to the this subscription list. I use the back manage publication. Now I want to unsubscribe the list. So I'm using Abhishek Vyas at gmail.com. It should be unsubscribed, right? So go back, publication. Hello, world. I am Abhishek. So we can see that we unsubscribe the email address at the same thing. We can also unsubscribe the mobile number as well. So now we have to understand a coding system. So this is our main manage subscription.cs. So this is namespace we are using. Namespace is nothing but the collection of class, and here we are using the delegation method. In delegation method, like we pass the method within the function. Generally we are the passing variables in a function, but in delegation method we are passing a method. We can see the method name to the in the delegation. So I gonna show you where it is. See here, so we are using delegation method here, right? See, delegations of subscribe objects and subscription lists. So we go to right click and go to the definition here. Like we are, in the function we are passing a method with the delegate with the help of delegation method, and created the object here and pass a variable with the method name. So these are namespace. Uh, we define a namespace collection of class. So these are the public, private, and whatever the class lists. So we initialize the form. We show and hide this on the click event, and give the validation of email address and phone number. So whether it's correct, then it should be, please enter. It's with if like email address is false, we know the validation where if is correct, if mail address text dot text, like in whatever you entered in the text but form, like it is valid, then it will be show valid. Otherwise it's through the else loop, uh, like please enter the valid. At the same time, for the mobile number, and the same thing, we are subscribe and unsubscribe button to click here. Whatever we choose, it should be added into subscription list. So yeah, this is form1.cs. Like we can say initialize the form and hide and see, and we merge two forms, manage subscription and notification manager. So once we exit, we can exit. Yeah, we close the program. So that's it. Uh, Thank you, Professor.